In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your HubSpot account and navigating to the Commerce section, then select Invoices. This is where all invoice creation and management happens. Take a moment to scan the list of existing invoices to get a feel for the layout and the information HubSpot displays by default. Familiarizing yourself with the interface will make each step faster and less error-prone. When you're ready, click the Create Invoice button. This launches the invoice editor where you'll assemble everything the customer needs to pay. The editor is straightforward, so relax and focus on accuracy. You can always preview before sending. Next, add the billing contact. Either select an existing contact from your CRM or create a new one on the spot. Make sure the contact details are correct and complete, and associate a company record if one exists. Associating a company helps keep your records tidy and links the invoice to the right account for reporting and follow-up. Move on to the invoice details. Set the invoice date and choose payment terms that match your policy, whether that's due on receipt, net 15, or whatever your business uses. Add line items by pulling products from your product library for consistency, or create custom line items for one-off charges. Be clear in the descriptions so the customer understands what they're being billed for, and double-check quantities and unit prices to avoid disputes. Configure any discounts or taxes that apply. You can apply a percentage discount or a flat amount, and enter tax rates as required for the transaction. Select the accepted payment methods you want to offer. Common choices include credit card, ACH, or direct bank transfer. Choosing multiple options can speed payment, but keep it consistent with your accounting setup. Finally, review everything before sending. You can send the invoice as a PDF attachment or share a payment link directly, depending on how you prefer the customer to receive it. Review the preview to make sure formatting looks right and all line items and totals are correct. After sending, monitor payment and follow up if needed. That covers the workflow for creating an invoice in HubSpot. With a careful review and clear line items, you'll reduce questions from customers and improve your chances of getting paid on time.